Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian. If you are new here, welcome. So today I just want to talk about breakfast. How many of you eat breakfast and how many of you skip breakfast? So we all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? If you eat a well-balanced, nutritious breakfast, it keep you going for the day, for the whole day, until lunch comes around. And when lunch comes around, you don't have to eat anything heavy. Maybe like a small salad or an apple, and it should last you until dinner comes. And dinners come, you can eat a nice portion for dinner. You don't have to like overstuff yourself because you already have breakfast and lunch that day. But what happens if you skip breakfast that day and dinner comes around? You're most likely to overstuff yourself and you eat too much and you gain weight, and that's bad for you, and you should be doing that. So today I just want to show you a quick and easy and well-balanced breakfast pizza. You can make it in no time. It has mixed greens in it. It has protein like fried eggs, cream cheese, and prosciutto. Prosciutto is an Italian ham. You can always substitute it for bacon or grilled chicken. So why don't I meet you in the kitchen and let's get started on this pizza breakfast. So what you will need for this breakfast pizza is some pizza crust. You can also use pita bread, lemon, eggs, cream cheese, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil, some Italian ham prosciutto. There you go. That's what prosciutto is. And also some mixed greens like spinach or arugula. So first you want to do is grill the pizza crust. So have some olive oil and just rub it on both sides of the pizza crust. Then just place it down in the grill pan. That way to heat it up. I just grill it for a couple of minutes. So while we wait for the pizza crust to grill, we're going to mix up the cream cheese and the lemon zest into the little bowl. The reason we add the lemon zest to the cream cheese is to freshen up the flavor a little bit. And a little bit of black pepper. Just gonna mix it up. Now your cream cheese has to be at room temperature. So set this on the side. Let's take a look at the crust.
Now that's beautiful, look at that. Just leave it there for a couple more minutes. In the meantime, we'll get the salad ready. Next, I'm gonna make the vinaigrette for the greens. So I'm just squeezing a lemon in here. A little bit of pepper to taste. Salt. And olive oil. This is my go-to salad dressing.
I heat my pan up. I'm gonna crack an egg. So now you just want to cook your eggs until the whites are set, or however you like your eggs to be.
Season your eggs with salt and pepper to taste. Here's our pizza crust. It's nice and golden brown. So what you're gonna do next is get your cream cheese. So you mix it up with a little bit of pepper, lemon zest, and you're just gonna spread it up here onto the crust. Spread it out just like the pizza sauce. Next, we're gonna lay it on the prosciutto.
So if you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you next time.